Wow, I can see something. Oh, oh my god, really? Can you see that? And let me see. Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. So today is another video of the check blind bag card, and I supposed to do like talking video because like it's much more fun than ASMR. And for this dog, it is called Maltese. I think most of you have already known these two guys. So it's also really popular out there for this Maltese. And there are 30 bags in this box, and I don't know how to play yet. Let me check. Oh my god. Oh, so this is come with like a special card, and also come with a frame, like card frame to put these two. So let's keep this for the last video. I will check together with you guys, but right now we need to check this first. Okay, so this is the packaging, and this is called Maltese. Good night puppy. And I don't know how to play, and they don't say anything yet, so I want to try the first packaging first. Let's see. Wow, so this is a nice card one. So this is supposed to be the good one. And this is SR. It's just like in Tamagotchi. Whoa, the HR is so cool. Really cool. So nice. This is cute. What is this card? QBR. So I think this is supposed to be the night card one, but I'm still not sure. Let's try another one. So this is just a normal one, SR, and this is HR. The HR is look cool. So I will try with another bag. It doesn't say anything on the packaging, so I'm not sure what it's called. Okay, so yeah, so this is SR, so it's just normal. Ooh, what's this? Wow, it's hard to identify, but I know like in this bag it has 3 cards. SR is just the normal, and this one is supposed to be something else. So this is called JQR. Let me check the bag again. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. So suppose this one is a high card. This is called JQR, and this is the CTR. Okay, so these two is different. Can you spot the different part? So this one is CTR and this one is QBR. Too many cards. So just put here together. Okay, now I can understand some of them, so let's see together. So the last 2 pack is the best one. So let's see together. Cool. So this one is supposed to be the high card one. So I just put here and put here. Cool. Wow, this is SSR. Looks so nice. Oh my god, this is QR. I think this color is super cool. This pattern is really nice. Oh, this is just number. Oh my goodness, this is another JQR. So cute, really cute. And this is SSR. And the last one. Oh, this is supposed to be for Chinese New Year. This is for Lunar New Year. That's pretty cool. Really cool. So it's hard for me to choose the card. So I just keep this just in case. It's much more easier for me. So just this one. I like something really high card. This is so cute. Really cute. Even the pattern. And Wow, this nice. These CTR are so nice. Okay, so I think the back card is the last card. So we will take another 4. So I won't keep any of them. Just pull it out all and see all together what card we got. Cool. So this is our SR. And this is we got. I think this we already got one for this HR. Hey, another cute one. This is the R, really cute. Look at this. And this is SR. Oh my goodness, this is really cool. Remind me of what is that? Let It Go. The song Let It Go. Oh, Frozen. Yeah, Frozen. Oh my god, this is so nice. I think JQ card is nice. And this is UST. What's that? This is UST card. And this is SR, QR, another UST. Oh, look. It just feels like a playing card with letters, sorry, number 6, letter K for king. And this is our SSR. I really like how it's shining the color. Oh, another nice ones. Oh, really nice couple. This is so cool. Really cute for these 2 guys. Really cute. I love this. Okay, so we go for another 4. I try to be as fast as I can so you guys don't feel really boring, because like the card, if we check one by one, it will take like half an hour. Okay, cool. So this is just normal. Oh, this just feel like pom-pom. So cool, really cute. I love how they designed like the frame like this. And this is number 9. So I think if we collect this card, it just feel like you're playing a deck with the card deck. So you have number 9, number 6, you collect together for a whole thing. And this is SSR. Ooh, QR. This is cool. Can you see how the gold like it, how it reflects together? So nice. Another card. Wow, this color is super cool. Really cute pink one. It look like a doll here. And this one, I think we got one already. Yeah, already got that. Hey, so cute. Really cute. Wow, I think this one, this letter A for ace, is look really nice with the green color shining with the gold. Yeah, it's so cool for this color. Just keep it. Okay, so too much. So we try another 4. You guys see this? What is this? What is this? It seems like we can use this one to exchange for something. Let me open up. How can I exchange? I need to send it back to China. Okay, so I think this card, it is not something like really authentic, but it is like original one from the company. So that is why they have this kind of stuff that you can exchange with the company. And I'm not sure what it's this, so you guys can do AI translate. Maybe you can exchange another bag of this gold one. But yeah, we can't, because like I cannot send it back. It's not worth to send it back. So another card. Wow, this purple color is really nice. This is first time I see the purple color. And wow, we got a lot of duplicate on this one. Hey, making Joker. This is a Joker. This one look a little bit funny. And yeah, like a witch to me. Cool. Wow, this is look like a magician. Okay, let's move on. So I think we just got a little bit left. So sometimes it's really nice to do checking card because like it's fun, you know, it's cute by its way. So anyone try to collect the card, you understand this feeling. Okay, I do collect too, but only the high card that I collect. But sometimes the high card is not in my list. I don't collect it too. Wow, this blue is look nice. Ah, this one nice, cute, really cute. It just more like Christmas, and it have highlight with the gold color. It's so cool for this one. Hey, our queen. I think we're our king. No, oh yeah. So this is our king and queen. You can pair together like this. These two are Joker. Look funny. Another nice ones. Okay, so I got duplicate with this blue. Okay. Oh, this is another witch. I think this is like a Harry Potter. What's this? Oh. Cute, really cute. This is like $100 bill. It's so cool. The previous one we got only $10. This is QBO. I think QBO is something really special from this card. Let me check. Yeah, because like, can you see at the back? This one look nice than this one. So I think this one is special one. Wow, another $100 for this. Hey, this baby, he is holding a bottle of milk too. Oh, this is for Chinese, and he is holding a coffee, and he have a coffee cup here. Cool. So we got only this left. I will open all in one. It's really thick, but need two. See, another one. It's make my heart drop. You know, it just feel like I cannot change those cards. Cool. So there is a lot here. Hey. So this green is nice. We haven't had any green before, and this is supposed to be with the baby of Maltese. Another $10 bill. And just no more. Oh, this is nice. Another $10. Another ASR. And GQ. Oh, this is $50. This is $50. I think I saw a lot of this. Oh, another $50. I think the picture on out of this is really cool. A lot of 50. Another purple ones. Hey, this one, it have butterfly. It looked like a kite. Oh, this one is 100 ones. Let's look crumpy here. So this is number 10. See? So I think, yeah, so I think we can exchange for another one. So because like I cannot do exchange, so just let it be. So really we had all the card. Now let's see the special card. Try the first one first. Wow, I can see something. Oh my god, this really, can you see that? It's really premium. And let me see at the back first. Okay, so this is the back of the card. Let's see the front together. Wow, it's, oh my god, it's really cool. It looked like a glass on the top, and this part is look like aluminum. Can you see the color change? It's really cool. So we need to put this. So we got this one. It is a magnetic one, just like this. Yeah, like this. And I think it's supposed to be like something to put at the bottom, but maybe they don't include into this box. But oh my goodness, really nice. Let's see the last one. Oh, this is a bag. Okay, this is cool. Wow, this nice, really nice. This is a gold one. This is called SPR, and this is called KPR. But I think I love the KPR because I used to see a lot of gold with this card, but for this one I never see before. It's really cool. So this is how we put it back. Oh my goodness, this is something really special from the packaging. So if you want to keep it nice, so just put it back because I don't have any of the stand. So just hold it and stick it back. Oh my goodness, and this one too. So I think I'm supposed to keep only this two because it's really cool. Just similar to my Chikawa last time. I also got the two special one too. Cool. So I love this one the most. Okay guys, thank you for today for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoy and have fun together, and see you in next video. Bye bye.